How to save TikTok video without watermark. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to copy the link of the video that you want to download. So let's go ahead and do that. Open TikTok.
تمام طوق
Say for example I wanted to download this video right here. I will click on the share button at the bottom right and then click on copy link. Once the link has been copied, you need to go back and open up any browser you have and search for TikTok video downloader. As you can see, you will find a lot of results, but you can choose any one of them as they all basically do the same job and work the same way. So I'm going to choose this one right here. And once you're here, you need to paste the link that you copied and then click on download. And as you can see, your video is ready right here. So just click on download and your video is now downloaded. So that was it for this video. That's how you can download videos from TikTok with no watermark. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.